Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says more, more, more. Then eats a giant candy where as yum, 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 chew, chew, chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin, spin, spin around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom, boom, boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, oh no me. My tummy feels all wiggly. Kitty says, now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop. Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels all right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead me. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play. Yes, Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Farm Kitty on the farm to eBay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh no, no, no. Pip says, Link, my food is here. Kitty shouts,
Oh, yes. Cheer.
Bit burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps,
Carry on.
Oink, 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 oink. E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Rooster shouts, Hock, hock-a-doodle-dee. Kitty says,
I'll eat that too.
Seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts.
Nothing lasts.
Rooster cries.
What is this?
Kitty says,
Delicious bliss.
cock-a-doodle, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, Papa, grass is mine. Kitty says,
Looks so fine.
Pip grabs one, whole field clean. Sheep says, this is not mean. Kitty rolls.
Yummy, yummy.
Farm is now an empty tummy. Ba ba ba.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees. Oh no, I ate everything. She rubs her belly slow. Maybe I should stop. You know, Farmer Kitty had a farm. says, no, 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 I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby, kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed, pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air, toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now, then makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep yet, guys, baby shark is jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow, moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room, Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast, Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night, close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo, magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high, sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit, yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow, night light makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight, everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes, dreams are waiting in the sky. Just for you. Sleep, sleep, drift away, dreamy nighttime ends the game. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet, Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again, moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams lullaby saves the day. Sweet dreams now, hip hip hooray. 5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, Pant, no more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a bus. Riding on a bus. Riding on a bus. Riding on a bus. Riding on a bus.
4 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, Pant, stop the spooky ride on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
3 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. A window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, no more magic on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
2 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights out. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, Babe, stop the spooky ride tonight.
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, Great, fix the bus, fix it fast.
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus,
Riding on a bus.
all spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says today, let's all ride in a happy way. Lee-ha!
Riding on a bus. Riding on a bus. Riding on a bus. Riding on a bus.
I'll add some magic. Oh,
Tidy iron train! Wow! Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere. Riding on a train.
Choo choo choo.
Kitty driving fast, you know.
You know.
5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, no more dinos jumping on the train. Riding on a train.
Hip choo cow.
Riding on a train.
Hip choo cow.
4 little dinosaurs.
Bingo.
4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, stop the dino shaking the train. Choo choo train.
Choo choo cow.
Funny dino train.
Quack quack quack. Hee-haw.
3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, no more candy on the train. Riding on a train.
Sticky sticky train.
Riding on a train.
Hip choo cow.
2 little dinosaurs.
Hee-haw.
Little dinosaurs riding on a train. One pulled lever once again. So Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train.
Choo choo cow.
Crazy, crazy train. Vroom.
Hee-haw.
One little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. Kitty called the bunny, and the bunny then said, Dino train is working well. Riding on a train.
Choo choo cow.
Riding on a train.
Choo choo cow.
Happy Dino steal the show.